Hello everyone. Welcome to another episode of our weekly crypto news recap. This is an ongoing segment where we bring you all the top headlines that made waves during the week. As you must know, the cryptocurrency market is yet to recover from the last massive sell-off. As of press time, the overall crypto market cap is $1.20 trillion, a far cry from the all-time high of $3 trillion. Notwithstanding, there are still various developments in the space as founders, developers, analysts, and investors try to navigate the highly volatile macro environment together. In this video, we bring you some of those developments so as to keep you informed about the market. Before we dive into the video, here are the top headlines for the week. Luna 2.0 crashes 70% less than 6 hours after hitting all-time high. After losing $2.4 million in Terra implosion, frustrated investor gets arrested for knocking on Do Kwon's door. Russia gets closer to issuing digital ruble to evade sanctions. Elon Musk says SpaceX will soon accept Dogecoin for merchandise. Starlink subscription could follow. JP Morgan replaces real estate with cryptocurrencies as preferred alternative asset. We bring you all this and more in this week's episode. So be sure you watch the video to the end, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you like this video, don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up and drop your comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. With that out of the way, let's dive right in. Blockchain platform Terra has launched its Luna 2.0 tokens. On Saturday, May 28, Luna and UST Classic holders received an airdrop of the rebranded tokens, but that is where the smooth sailing ends. According to reports, the crypto asset recorded its first value of $14.31 per token at 5 a.m. Eastern Time. Barely 20 minutes later, it hit an all-time high of almost $19. However, by 11 a.m., the tokens had crashed by over 70% from $18.87 to $4.20. Though it has been able to make a slight recovery, current prices are nowhere near the all-time high. As of press time, the tokens have increased by over 14% and are now trading at $6.04. Meanwhile, a Luna Classic investor decided to seek answers directly from Do Kwon, the founder of the blockchain platform behind the two crypto assets that imploded earlier in the month. The investor, a Korean social media personality, said he lost around $2.4 million after the wipeout and was concerned about the founder's silence. Chancers, as he is popularly known, found out Do Kwon's sole address and rang the bell while live-streaming the incident to around 100 social media users. The founder's wife answered the door and alerted the police about the incident. Chancers left before the police arrived but later turned himself in. He now faces a fine and a criminal record that could make his life difficult. "It's so hard," Chancers said to reporters. "I lost a lot of money and now I'm being investigated by the police. I originally served as a civil servant in Korea, but if I am convicted of this case, I may not be able to return to the civil service again." He also said he only wanted to talk to Do Kwon and didn't mean to trespass on his property. But Terra's USD out of the way, the fiat-pegged token DOI has become the largest decentralized stablecoin maker. The decentralized autonomous organization that maintains and regulates the cryptocurrency has also regained its position as the top DeFi protocol in terms of total value locked. DOI is the fourth largest stablecoin after Tether, USDC, and Binance USD, which are all centralized stablecoins. As of press time, DOI is the 15th largest cryptocurrency with a market cap of $6.64 billion. In other news, Russia is getting closer to issuing a central bank digital currency, which regulators hope will allow the country to evade the sanctions levied against it for invading Ukraine. According to reports, the Central Bank of Russia has accelerated the development of the digital ruble. The Apex Bank now plans to conduct pilot transactions with the new ruble early next year instead of 2024, as it earlier announced. In the meantime, Russian authorities are considering the use of digital currencies for international payments. A high-ranking official from the finance ministry recently announced that if digital assets are recognized as property in Russia, they can be used in barter deals with other countries. Billionaire investor and CEO of SpaceX and Tesla, Elon Musk, has announced that his spacecraft engineering company will soon be accepting Dogecoin for the purchase of merchandise. Tesla merch can be bought with Dogecoin. Soon SpaceX merch too, Musk announced on Twitter on Friday. The SpaceX boss also said consumers would one day be able to use the meme coin when paying for Starlink subscriptions. Multinational investment bank and financial services firm JP Morgan has replaced real estate with cryptocurrencies as its preferred alternative asset. Via a note to investors, the global investment bank said it saw a significant upside to Bitcoin, predicting that the asset would jump to $38,000. Top strategists of the firm also predicted that the asset could jump to $150,000 in the long term. Our final headline for this video is a non-fungible token collection that is taking the industry by storm. The Goblin Town NFT collection is a free-to-mint NFT collection of 9,999 goblins. This week, the collection recorded over $22 million in sales. Goblin Town, which launched on May 23, 2022, also saw an increase of almost 500% in floor value, going from 0.5 Ethereum on the launch date to 2.79 Ethereum barely 5 days later. What are your thoughts about these developments in the digital asset space? Please drop your comments below, hit the like button, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.